Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Inshallah, this is your girl Seher. I am recording at a time where there is absolutely no one in Decathlon, maybe a couple of people. So we basically came to have pastry at Chef Baker's, but it so happened that Decathlon was on the way, and we decided we'll just go to check out what is happening, what is not. But then my husband decided to buy a bicycle for himself, and लगे हाथ मैंने एक डार्ट बोर्ड खरीदा because I wanted to from a long time. I just wished like not a very expensive one or exquisite one, a simple plastic one. So we just bought it and couple of knickknacks. I didn't buy anything much. My husband bought things. आज सैलरी आया है तो फिर पैसे लुटा दिए. तो करेंटली मैं डिकैथलॉन से वहाँ पे दिख रहा है, वहाँ पे मेरे हस्बैंड की जो साइकिल है वो लाइक ऑयल वगैरह सब कुछ हो रहा है, एंड मैं बस घूम रही हूँ. इट्स बियॉन्ड देयर क्लोजिंग टाइम्स. इट इज़ 9 o'clock बट क्लोजिंग टाइम हो गया है. तो आई एम जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड थिंकिंग आई फिल्म समथिंग एंड पुट इट अप. तो बस यही था कि हम लोग शेफ़ बेकर्स गए, हमको खाना था, पेस्ट्री खा लिया, फिर नज़दीक पड़ा तो फिर हम लोग आ गए. फिर हम लोग गोलगप्पा भी खाए थे. तो बस यही हम लोग घूमी कर रहे हैं, और मेरे को सारे जो डिकैथलॉन के एम्प्लॉयज़ है देख रहे हैं क्योंकि इट्स क्लोजिंग टाइम, बट दे डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम हियर. सो दे डोंट नो, एंड जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा, एंड फिर आई थिंक बाय द टाइम माय हस्बैंड विल आल्सो बी डन. सो या चलो.
Customers, Decathlon also is closed for the day. Please proceed to the cash counter and come back again. Thank you. You are not a Decathlon or anything. Sure, I get every cash counter again. धन्यवाद.
So guys, this is the Decathlon place, and मैं बहुत छोटा सा व्लॉग डालूँगी, बस इसको बड़ा नहीं करना है. तो स्पोर्ट्स ब्रास वर ऑन वेरी गुड डील्स. आई ऑल्सो लाइक सम ऑफ द टी शर्ट्स, बट मैंने अभी पिक नहीं किए. आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक दिस वन एंड दिस वन, एंड देन देयर वाज वन इन द बॉयज़ सेक्शन विच आई डेफिनेटली लाइक, बट आई डिडंट पिक इट अप. आई विल डेफिनेटली पिक दैट अप. And one more thing that I really liked was the swimwear. They have up to 2XL. I kind of really liked that part about it. Let me just show you the one which I really liked. I liked this one. This one was 1,699 and it goes up to 2XL, so it kind of fits me, and it's got like full coverage. It's not revealing, so I definitely like that one. And again, there are very good shirts and shorts at 299, like all swimwear stuff. I also kind of like these what are these called, frisbees? I don't know, that's what I think they call it. So definitely like those, but I didn't pick them up. The other thing I liked was the flip-flops here for 299 I guess, and this one was for 599. And there was a lot of stuff here as well. I like this shirt too. It was at 499. I definitely like that. The shirts are very the t-shirts are very comfortable, and I like them. And I also like the punching bag because my brother has a punching bag which is very old. I like that punching bag, but I don't know where that was, but I definitely like that. And I want to pick it up for my brother, whenever I can, like whenever I get the money, I will definitely pick that up for him. and that's the dart mode, dart zone. में से वो जो 999 वाला है ना, that one I picked up, and my husband picked one of those glasses for cycling and a couple of little other things like the cycle का gear, the pump वगैरह वगैरह. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी hiking वाला range है and ये I think I don't know what these are. तो 25 liters लिखा है, I think it's a bag or something, and that also they picked up. This was nice, 59 rupees for one ball. I picked up one of these boxes at 159. Very random because I thought इसमें आटा डालूंगी. Very random Indianized stuff I'm doing. And then you have this bag, foldable bag at 99 rupees, and then frisbees or whatever you call them at 99 rupees. I kind of really like this, but I didn't pick it up. So yeah guys, this is the decathlon thingy, and all these people think I don't know Kannada and they're speaking and saying ask her to leave, but I do understand the language and I do speak the language. I kind of like these gloves that you have over here, and there were socks as well for 199 rupees, which I really liked, but I'll come again and pick it up because it was getting late and I didn't pick it up. So there are these shorts which I definitely liked, and I think I'll pick them up next time. So one of the employees came and told me that ma'am, it's closing time. I didn't record that, but I told him that, you know, the cycle is getting fixed, so that's why I'm roaming around. And it happens, you know, they also tired, they want to go home, and as usual we always come late. So yeah, I'm just showing you around. I kind of like these jackets. I want to pick one for myself. I don't have a proper jacket, so I do want to pick them up sometime later. And I like this colored hoodie and this color one too. I think this is priced at $6.99 and that was $8.99, and the bomber jacket was at 1,300ish something. So I might pick that up sometime later. The good and new thing that they have introduced is you don't have to stand in the cashier to pay. You can actually pick up a product and scan the barcode and you know, pay it online, so you don't have to stand in the queue and, you know, avoid all that people situation, and you can definitely pay it by scanning the barcode. Okay, that's my husband. He's on a ride, so he's just trying it out basically. And I'm just roaming around just like that. I have no other business to do except just roam around. Inshallah, I will also pick up a cycle, not as fancy as is, it's just a basic cycle to roam around my house, because the place where we stay, it is humongous. Like the outskirts of it, the property itself is really big. It's a gated community, so I might as well pick one. So that's it guys, I hope you liked a small purview of Decathlon. This one is next to DMart, I guess, I don't know, Bomasandra, that is what the area is. So yeah, I will catch again with you in my next video, and if you're new, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.